Hello and welcome to Two Brooder Productions LLP. This is the series of a video that I'm making to give an overview of the company and the different product lines that we're doing. So I'm starting with the internal page that you must have seen. In this, there are various sections for trainings and the working that will be required on a day-to-day basis. So in this, on the salesman working link, the link right here, it says click here to access all the PDFs in PDF format and images. We'll click on this link. Once when we click on the link, then the various PDFs will open. So first I will start with the bags PDF. I will just explain and walk through the different pages on the bags PDF. So here you say Two Brooder bags June 2020. So we open this PDF. So firstly, the punch or the tagline that we keep on saying on all our emails is the company's name is Two Brooder. Brooder is the German name for brothers. So the company, in this company there are two brothers, myself and Aditya. Now everywhere on the website and on the emails we emphasize and say these combination of words which says third generation ethical manufacturer. So what that means is third generation is because the whole business of exports was started by our grandfather in 60s. Initially we were only exporting to USSR and we were exporting various handicraft items made of ivory and other handicraft, brass and other things. So that's why it's third generation, because it was started by our grandfather, then our father Sudhirji was actively involved, and now me and Adit sir are kind of working on this project. So that's why it's third generation. Ethical because we are manufacturers and we do everything very ethically. We have all systems in place, we have certification as well. We don't employ any child labor, we have fair wages. There is no undue advantage taken of the employees or of the labor. That's why the word ethical. Okay. Now starting with this bags catalog. So let me quickly just 1 second open this in the other format as well. There we go. So I'm just opening the same PDF file, two Brooder bags June 2020. Okay. So once when we open this file, there you go. So this is just the first page which just says trendy bags by Two Brooder bags. On the second page it says canvas bag. Now canvas is a kind of heavyweight fabric of cotton which is primarily used for bags because it's heavyweight, so it can take the weight of the items that are kept inside the bag. So in this page, so you can see these are various canvas bags that have been made. They are multicolored, so that the fabric has been dyed in different color, and then they have been cut and stitched like this. So this is the canvas bag. Now one thing which we also have to see is the kind of handle that comes on the bag. So for example, in this is called webbing tape, or you can also just say tape. So this is a cotton, in Hindi we call it nivard. So this is cotton nivard. And the other option for handle, for example, you can see here, this is a thick dory that has been used. So this is the cotton rope. Here we have used leather as the handle. So these are important things. The dimension of the bag can vary, but for example the dimensions are mentioned here. These are given in centimeters. So they are 34 centimeters by 48 centimeters by 13 centimeters, and 38 centimeters is the height. Okay. So these are canvas bags. Again, these are also canvas bags. These are printed canvas bags. Here, these were not printed. These were different. The fabric was dyed in different color, and then this was just patchwork with the different fabrics. So these are printed canvas bags. As you can again see, the handles are different. This is leather handle. This is the cotton rope handle. So these are again like that, different printed canvas bags. Next we have clutches. So clutches are smaller in size. So as you can see, there's a very intricate work of embroidery that has been done in all of these styles. This is computer embroidery. The palm tree has been made by computer embroidery, and then there are small wooden beads that have been fixed with hand, and the sequence in this also, it's a different technique of embroidery that has been utilized, and there's sequence here as well. This is these are also clutches. This is production that we have done for one of our customers in Brazil. So this is again computer embroidery with tie-dye. This is general, the fabric has been dyed, and then it's computer embroidery. These are also different kind of bags. Again, see the handle. This is a cane handle that has been used in this. See the pom-pom that has been used on the side, just to make the bags fancy and give it some more details. Again, pom-pom has been used on top of the zipper here for this bag. Now generally, one thing that you should be knowing is, for zips, the most common and the best quality zip that is used is called YKK. So anytime the buyer asks, you can mention we use YKK zipper. The cost for YKK zippers is slightly more expensive, but it's the best quality of zipper that most of the buyers also prefer. Okay, so moving on, as you can see, these are also all embroidered bags. These are also just different kind of bags, printed bags. We've just called it trendy bags, just to show the different sizes that come in the bags, the shapes and the sizes. This one is very interesting. This kind of design is called herringbone design, and working. This is not right. Why is this coming? Anyway. Now these are nautical bags. Nautical bags is just a theme for bags in which the nautical printed ISO, all of this is the anchor that has been printed, different shapes of the anchors, and again notice the handle. This is the rope, this is a different handle. So these are just nautical bags which are very popular and that we're doing a lot. Again, this bag on the these are digital printed bags. Now you must have seen the video. Digital printing is a different kind of printing technique in which millions of colors can be printed. So it is basically like a photograph is being printed on the fabric. So these are all digital bags, digital printed bags. Again, we come back to again printed canvas bags. So I think now these should all be self-explanatory. One more thing, so you will see here the logo that is there on each and every page. So the first logo is Two Brooder Bags. So this is the company that we are promoting now for Two Brooders. The other two companies, Amtex Industries and Apricot Designs Private Limited, these are companies in which we have been doing business for the last 10 years. So work will continue in these companies also, but all of these accessories that we're talking about will be done via the Two Brooder Bags going forward. So these are printed canvas bags. Again, these are just trendy bags, different kind of bags, printed. This is jute. Let me zoom it up. Okay, this is not jute, this is also just cotton bags, but these are printed cotton bags. On this page here we are talking about jute bags. So these are jute bags, and again with printing on them. So jute is an environmental friendly fabric, and jute is a yarn like cotton, polyester, jute, linen, silk. These are all different kind of yarns. Yarns means threads. So the fabric that is made with these yarns, then those are called either jute fabric, cotton fabric, silk fabric, viscose fabric, and things like that. Next we come to hand crochet bags. So these are all hand crochet bags. Hand crochet is also called macrame. You will see that name. So these are all hand crochet bags. Next, these are quilted bags. So quilted means it's cotton fabric, cotton printed fabric, and then we have in-house computer embroidery machines. So we do all the quilting. Quilting means the two layers of fabric, and there's quilt in the there's polyfill in the middle. So once when that is all put together, that is called quilted. So again, we have machines and we do everything in-house for these quilted bags. The photos on the top, these are productions that we have sent to the buyer. Next, these are cold pigment wash bags. Again, so these are canvas fabric, and after the bag is stitched, then we send this to the washing mill where a cold pigment is done. So on cold pigment is an expensive process, but the look and the feel of that cold pigment is totally different. Buyers know the difference. So these are cold pigment wash bags. These are denim bags, like the denim jeans that we wear. So made from that fabric, denim fabric. So these are different kind of denim bags. Okay. Now these bags. So the bag on the right hand side, this is an exquisite hand knitted bag. As you can see, it's all hand knitted, hand work. So it's a very time consuming process. And on the left, these are again jute bags. These are woolen bags made from felted fabrics. Now trying to source the right production partner. So you can read all of these bullet points. They are all self-explanatory, and these are just some pictures of the factory of us with the buyers. And the last is the ethical certificate. This is called SEDEX certificate, which says that we are ethical manufacturers. Hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and do reach out so that we know you are able to understand. Okay, thank you. Bye.